In this video, I want to share with you how you can create really high quality designs using Ideogram without even using a prompt. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you how you can create those designs on Ideogram, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is Saturday, May 11th, 9:53 a.m. in the morning, already sitting at 22 sales, $47 in royalties. That's going to put me at 700 sales for the month and $1,087 for the month. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. And for this video, I'm going to use this recent video that I put out a couple days ago on 5 low competition Juneteenth niches. But what you want to do is you want to go to Ideogram, and first thing that I would say is that you have to have a paid program. The free will not work, neither will the basic. So if we click on the setting tools right here, you're going to see I'm an Ideogram Plus user, and if you click on manage subscriptions, we're going to see that free and basic will not work. You need the plus one right here because we need the image uploader. All right, that's where the magic is. So if we go back to this video right here, one of the designs that I recommended was actually this one right here, or one of the niches I recommended was this one right here, which says I'm ready to crush Juneteenth. So what you want to do, and with these new Macs, it's really cool, you can just go Command-Shift-4, and you just want to get a screenshot basically of what you want to create. There it is right there. Then we're just going to go back to Ideogram, back to the home page, click right here. We're going to click this image upload button, and we just want to select the screenshot, and we just want to scroll down and click on describe. And what that is going to do, it is going to describe the image, and you just want to double check to make sure that everything looks good. So right here it says a young boy wearing headphones. We want to make sure that's a young black boy or young African American boy. So young African American boy wearing headphones and holding a game controller, standing atop a colorful monster truck. The truck is predominantly green, yellow, and red. Above the boy, there's a text that reads, I'm ready to crush Juneteenth. The background is black, and the overall theme appears to be celebratory, possibly related to Juneteenth. Okay, so that looks good. And then all you have to do is just click generate. So all you need is the image. You don't even need to come up with a prompt. And AI is getting scary good. Let's just go ahead and wait for these to generate, and look how good. I think these are actually better than what I saw on Amazon. You can already see that it's starting to look pretty good, and here we go. Now what you can do here, you can take these and you can remix them, but these look pretty good in my opinion. Like what I would do here is I would take maybe this one right here, I would download it, and then I would pop it into like Canva or to Photoshop, and I would change maybe the colors to more like red, gold, and green, just so it looks a little more Juneteenth-ish, if that even makes sense. But yeah, so look how cool that is right there. Now let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, so another niche or phrase that I recommended in that previous video was this phrase right here that says I pause my game to celebrate Juneteenth, and we're just going to do the same thing. Go ahead and we're going to take a screenshot. Hopefully my head doesn't get in the way there. Okay, so that looks good. We're going to come back to Ideogram. I'm going to go to this home page, and now this time I'm going to show you how you can actually upscale it and get rid of the background. So again, same thing. We don't even need a prompt. We're just going to, we're going to come here, click on image upload, select the screenshot, hit enter. We want to describe it. Again, we're just going to make sure that everything looks good. Graphic design, vibrant colors, green, yellow, red at the center. Okay, so everything looks good, and then hit generate. And I mean, this is easy, guys. The only thing is that it costs money, so you are gonna have to pay the 20 bucks a month. But honestly, I mean, that gets you 1,000 prompts. Now you're probably gonna do some remixing and have to mess with them a little bit, but even $20 for 500 designs, I mean, that's even better than Creative Fabrica. Okay, so look at this. This looks pretty good right here. I think this probably would be the best one. Maybe make the controller white. But when we take this and we compare it to what we just saw, which was, where to go? Was it this one right here? I think it was this one. That's pretty good. Pretty good in my opinion. And again, you don't even need to come up with a prompt. All you have to do is just upload the image. And now let me go ahead and show you how you can actually upscale this. So the way that I like to upscale my designs from Ideogram is going to be using Canva. Now I do use the paid version of Canva, but the way that I like to do it is I just go ahead and I save the image like this right here. I'm going to save it to downloads. Then I'm going to come over here to Canva, and what you want to do is just hit custom size, 4500 by 5400, and then you want to click on the app section at the bottom here and search for Pixel. And it should pop up. It's this one right here that says Pixel Enhancer. It's going to ask you to upload the image. So we're just going to choose the file that we just saved, which was in downloads. So this one right here. And then it's going to do its thing, upscale it. And then once it has been upscaled, then we can go ahead and enlarge it, make it fit the whole canvas size. Actually, you want to hit Add to Design. Let's try that again. For some reason it doesn't want to do it. Give me a second. Okay, so then you just basically want to select the image, and I just like to kind of drag it out like this, make it nice and big, fit the Canva space like that, get it nice and big. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to download it, and then I'm going to pop it into Photoshop to get rid of the background. So just bear with me while I do this real quick. But this is a pretty easy way to upscale your designs. You do have to pay for it, it's not free, but then we're going to hit share, going to hit download right here. PNG, download it, and then once it is downloaded, we're going to go back to Finder, go to downloads, and there it is right there, and we're going to open that up in Photoshop. So open with Photoshop 2024. Actually, I already did. You can see that's another one I did. That was another one that actually looks pretty good because I was doing this before. I just record the video just to kind of practice, and then right here hit eraser. And then bam, and then you just have to come in here and get rid of the little dots. But there you got a nice design that you can use. That is actually pretty good, and you made it in seconds basically. It didn't really take long at all. Oh, whoops. Okay, so that is the second one. Now let's go ahead and do another one because I have to be honest, this is kind of fun. Alright, so another niche that I recommended or phrase is this one right here, stepping into Juneteenth. We're going to do the same thing. Go ahead and just get a nice screenshot. Really easy. Come on over here to Ideogram again, just to show you the quality. Let's go to, click on it right there, image uploader, find the design. Oh, whoops, I think I picked the wrong one. Let's try that again. Got to go to desktop. There it is. And then we're going to describe it, or have Ideogram describe it. Okay, so let me just double check. Graphic design. Step it in, okay, below the text, a pair of sneakers. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Generate, and honestly, it's just a couple clicks of the button. That's all you gotta do for the most part, and it's going to generate it, and let's see what Ideogram comes up with. Let me know what you guys think about these designs in the comments. But what I like is that they're getting pretty much all of the text right, stepping into Juneteenth. Okay, so maybe this one right here. Let's go ahead and remix it. And hit generate, see if we get maybe some more vibrant colors. You can come back in here and you can mess around with the prompt if you want to change some things up. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, so these look good. This one right here, step into, well, both of these, I'd probably get rid of the blue. I like this one right here. Again, you just have to change some of the colors. But, I mean, how cool is this, guys? Super easy, super fast, super high quality. Don't even have to type out a prompt because, to be honest, sometimes the prompts can get kind of a little confusing and overwhelming trying to get like the best prompt. But here, all you have to do is just upload a screenshot. That is awesome. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. Okay, now I want to share with you a few resources that I offer if you want to learn how I get sales like this on a regular basis. So I am now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So if you just click this join button right here, let me just pause the video. You can become a bronze member. That's basically just a way to like support the free content, get you loyalty badges and priority reply to comments. But the real value is going to be in the silver package. I'm not offering a gold yet, maybe in the future, maybe do some prompt stuff. But right now, just the silver. And basically what that's going to get you is that it's going to get you exclusive members only videos. It's 4 videos a month, 1 a week, every Monday at 6 a.m. It's basically going to be 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches or phrases. I've also been putting out a daily update, just kind of like on a market update on any trends that I see. Now, there has to be something trending. So if I see something, I'll basically make a post. I've been doing it the past 3 days. People seem to like it. So if you're interested in that, you can join. It's only $7. I have the price. I'm in Mexico, so I have 99 pesos. The dollar fluctuates every day, so it should be $7. Maybe it's 6, maybe it's 8, but it should be, you know, right around 7. Now, some people have been saying that the join button is not available in their country. If that is the case, I also have a Patreon link right here in the description, and it's the exact same thing, 4 videos a month, once a week. You also get the updates as well. Same price, same everything, just on Patreon. So if you're interested, the link for Patreon is right here, and if you want to sign up on YouTube, you just click this join button right here. And then I also have a Merch by Amazon course. Let's just go ahead and click on that. So this course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're in tier 10 or under like tier 100, you know, not really getting sales or maybe making less than like $100 a month, I would highly recommend that you check out my Merch by Amazon Masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's going to teach you everything that I know over the 7 years that I've been on Merch by Amazon. Now, I am not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you see I do pretty good. I've had 3 days of $100 in a row, $90, $86 today, already sitting at close to $50. So if you're interested, that link will be in the description. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.